Hello, I'm Antoine Charrier. I'm prosthetist orthotist and technical advisor at COPSIL. The COPSIL Socket Training focuses on one clear objective: mastering soft silicone socket production. So it is intended for professionals in the orthopedic field, TPOs, technicians, sales reps and distributors. The program is organized in several stages. First, we take time to review soft silicone methodology. Then we go through the production methodology itself, step by step always. We also address a key theoretical topic. And of course, at the end, we also make a tour of the plant. The training takes place in person at l'Atelier by COP in Rome and lasts one day. Each session is limited to 4 participants maximum. The training is led by our internal trainers. Well, simply contact us.